I'm the girl who always had a side hustle. I'm the girl who tried many different business models online, like MLM, network marketing, affiliate marketing, crypto, and I just never quite had the success to show for it. I'm the girl who got scammed a few times but made the decision to never quit on my dreams. I'm the girl who wanted to change her life and make money online or die trying. I'm the girl who wanted to take back my power and be financially independent because I was tired of feeling like a burden without an income. One of my friends introduced me to this interactive program that teaches you digital marketing skills. This blueprint showed me step by step how to set up an automated business in just 2 days. It showed me how, by working just 2 hours a day on income producing activities, I can make daily pay in dollars online. I didn't need a degree or qualification. I didn't need experience. I didn't need a following. All I needed was a phone or a laptop and Wi Fi. I can now work 2 hours a day and finally help people on a global scale change their lives for the better, enjoy guilt free family time, and pay off my debt because the automated system does the selling and telling for me 24/7. If you can relate, you've tried many different things in the past and you want your time back and you're ready to cherish those family moments without guilt, then drop a ready in the comments and I will absolutely love to share this blueprint with you.